This is a teardown of a Code 3 VCon model 3692 controller box, I guess, with PA. Apparently it's dead, so figured let's see what's inside. Luckily it kind of came halfway tore apart. Oof. Quite the big transformer in there. I think that's more for like amplification for the PA than anything else, since it lists that there's speakers that are good up to 100 watts. But I'm not certain, to be honest. Get these loose, take them out. Those are looser than I thought they'd be. Alright. Let's see how tight those are in there. Tighter than I can do with that little screwdriver. Alright. Some washers here that are binding the on the case, holding the PCB in still, among other things. There we go. That's interesting. There's a little incandescent bulb. These are just fancy potentiometers. Oh, that's a selector switch. Oh, got the horrible silicone thermal paste all over my hands now. So maybe this isn't for amplification purposes. Maybe there's some interesting power conversion going on. But let's see what these power transistors are. So my fingers turn white from the silicone. IRFP 150. These little terminal blocks soldered to the bottom of the PCB for attaching all the external nonsense. Got a Phillips brand chip there. HEF 4066BP. Otherwise, a lot of passives. And then we got some little breakout boards with some surface mount stuff. But it's all covered in conformal coating, so it's not possible to see what the model numbers are. Also an interesting thing, I don't know if these are little like shunts or fusible links, but a couple of them appear to have been cut. Yeah, this does have a little teeny tiny 20 amp fuse, which I will be saving. Assuming it comes out easily enough, because you never can have enough fuses on hand. But yeah, otherwise, not much to see there. Pretty old school text, so not too surprising. That's pretty basic. Well, I didn't think about it when I was tearing this down, but we should see what's inside the headset too. I can't imagine it's gonna be too much excitement. Big speaker, fancy micro switch. Being that this is older, probably fairly robust. Oh. Might have to use the other screwdriver for that. Still got silicone thermal paste on my fingers, just making things fun. There we go. Yeah, quite the piece of steel there. Looks to be almost a 1/4 inch thick. Give some heft to this. Really nicely done strain relief with a little spring to help give the cord some strength. Pretty much par for the course for any of this kind of industrial equipment. The micro switch is a little different. I wasn't expecting this, but yeah. Let's see what we got for a speaker. Just looking at it from the back, part of me is almost expecting a piezoelectric, but I don't think that's going to be the case for multiple reasons. But let's see what we got. That's a really bizarre speaker choice. What in the world? Fully encased in metal. It's like an old corded phone speaker for a handset. But yeah. Not a very strong magnet. I guess strong enough to hold itself up though. So alright, well, there's the official end of the video. Thanks for watching.